Hello everyone. In this brief presentation, we'll introduce the graphics.py objects. Let's take a quick look of the graphical things that we will create and manipulate throughout this Python learning process. By the way, we call these graphics things objects. This is a window, a rectangular area on the screen where graphical images may be drawn. We will examine the window as an object in more details at a later time. The question now becomes, what are the graphical images that we may draw on a window? Although this is not a complete list, these are the objects we will spend most of our programming time creating and manipulating them. Point, line, rectangle, circle, image, text, entry. Point. Point is a dot or a speck on the window area. Line, rectangle, circle. I assume that we're familiar with the notion of these simple geometrical objects. Image. Image is an object through which we can display images, pictures for example, and apply some very basic object manipulation. Text. Text is a sequence of characters, a string, used as a label to relay information. Entry. Entry is a space on which text can be typed in and edited by the person who uses our Python program. We will examine all these objects in more detail at some later time. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.